2, 3, fire!
Four. What up to all the two warriors of honor? My name is Miguel, and guess what, guys? I am back, guys. I'm happy to be back, and man, dude, things have been going crazy for the past couple of weeks. And yes, I know I did post a video saying that I was gonna come back and post some videos. Apparently, real life stuff got in the way again. So, what can you do, man? What can you do? But you know what? At least I'm doing, something that, it's important. So, even though I really like doing videos, I just had to go ahead and focus on, real life stuff. So, yeah. So, but either way, I have some good news. I finally have time to go ahead and make the videos and come back again. And things are going back on schedule again, which is awesome because if you guys don't know, at the beginning of this year I did post a video that I was going to come back and make some For Honor videos, and I was going to be the person that's doing the news in For Honor, because there isn't anybody in the For Honor community at the moment that's doing any news videos on what's happening in For Honor, any updates of the game, any information, all that stuff. So there isn't anybody that's doing that, and so that's what I was doing in the beginning of the year. I did that right when the Pirate Hero came out. I did some videos on that, and also with year 6 for Honor, I did videos on that. And then all of a sudden, things just got messed up only because in the winter, I did have time to go ahead and make videos because in my business, well, in my father's business, work for us was actually slow. Then it starts picking up when it comes to spring, and then it slows down right at the end of fall. So basically from spring all the way to the end of fall is when we're really busy. And during the winter, we don't have that much work, only because it's the winter and it's a little bit slow. And for the people who don't know what my job is actually a landscaping business that my father owns. I help him with a bunch of stuff, and now that his business has been growing, and now that he has been doing some other stuff instead of cutting lawns, so his business is actually split in two. He takes care of some of the heavier businesses, like doing some construction work and cutting some trees, while my focus is focusing on his clients' yard. And the landscaping business is basically me just cutting people's yards, trimming them, making them look nice and good with the plants and the flowers and all that stuff. So basically that's what I'm doing. I kind of like a manager in my father's business, so that's why things have been going crazy for the past couple of months, and that's why I have been posting any videos and also some For Honor videos. So yeah, things have been getting crazy. And also, right when spring came by, allergy season came into way, and oh my god, I got sick, man. Talk about freaking the worst allergy season that I've ever had. It was terrible, but luckily we're in the summer, so there's no more allergies for me in the summer, thank god. But I also had to deal with the heat, and man, dude, Jesus, talk about the heat. Dude, we've been getting a bunch of 90s for the past couple weeks. It's just been crazy, dude, and we didn't have any rain for about a week, I think. But yeah, we finally got rain, and this week and last week, unfortunately I lost power when it came to some of the thunderstorms that we had, but luckily we got the power back. So yeah, I just wanted to come by and apologize to you guys that I wasn't able to go and post any videos for the past couple months. Things has just been going crazy, but now I am proud to say that things are going back on schedule. So expect a new video to come out every week, and it's gonna be great, and I'm happy about it. But yeah, guys, so I just want to go ahead and get that out of the way, for people who don't know anything about what's been going on in my life. So yeah. But anyways, like I said, I'm happy to be back. Things are going back to normal, and that's awesome. So yeah, so I just had to go ahead and work some stuff out when it came to my schedule and that stuff. So really awesome. And I don't know if you guys know, but I basically work 6 days a week. So yeah, from 6 a.m. all the way to, it depends, at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. So basically I work like a 13 to 14 hour shift. So yeah, it's long, but you know, whatever, I could deal with it. At least I have Sunday off, so yeah. But yeah, so I just want to go ahead and get that out of the way, and yeah, so I'm happy to be back. Yay, awesome. Also, I do have some new lighting right here. I don't know if you guys know, but before, the lighting that I used was actually, of course, the light that I have right here, but also on my computer screen too. But I wanted to go ahead and make sure it gets a better, more lighting, so I decided to buy a cool looking lamp. It's actually a really tall lamp. It's about like this big. I think it said it was like I think it's like 24 inches. I think it's 24 inches, but yeah, it's a big lamp. So yeah, I just got it from Best Buy like last week, so it was about $40. Not bad, but it's a really cool looking lamp. So yeah. Also, I want to change my background a little bit in the future. I'm not going to change the pictures that I have right here, the For Honor pictures, because those right there, you know, they look cool. But I don't want to change the color of my wall. Like, I want to paint it in a different color. But hopefully I could do that in the future. But yeah, but for now, things are going to be the way how it is right now. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, I just want to go ahead and get that out of the way. Anyway, so today we're going to be talking about the Hero Fest that we have right here for Honor right now at the moment, and that is the Hello Kitty Hero Fest, and this is going to be going on from July 7th all the way to July 14th. Now, if you guys don't know, the developers actually mentioned about they talked about that we're going to be getting a new thing that's going to be happening throughout the year, and it's actually called a Hero Fest. The developers actually announced this right when we got the launch of Year 6 Season 1 of For Honor Golden Age, and each season we're going to be getting ourselves 4 Hero Fests for 4 heroes, and within those Hero Fests, not only are we going to be able to go ahead and play as the, you know, as some of the characters in For Honor for free for the people who have not owned any characters, because not many people well, I guess maybe I should say, maybe, there might be some people that have all the characters unlocked, but there might be some people that don't have any of the other characters unlocked. Like for me, I have all the characters in For Honor unlocked, so I'm all good. But there might be some people that play, you know, only a certain type of characters, and they don't have the other character unlocked, so they get to go ahead and, you know, try them out for free and get some, you know, loot for them, and they'll be able to go ahead and customize them for about, you know, a certain period of time, which is the Hero Fest at the moment. But if you guys are comfortable and really want to go ahead and get this hero and not miss out on the limited time thing, you can actually get the hero at a, you know, at a discount, and it's gonna be 33% off, so you'll be able to go ahead and get the character for a cheap price if you guys do not own that character, and that's actually good. And not only do you get the discount for the character, but you also get 2 Hero Fest symbols. One that's going to be an outline, and one's going to be on a cool looking picture of the character. And you also get a Hero Fest emblem symbol for your emblem customization, and it looks really, really cool. But you get those by just logging into the Hero Fest. So yeah, you get those for free. You just, the only thing you have to do is just log in. That's about it. That's really awesome. And also, we have ourselves a unique execution when it comes to the Hero Fest. So now, before in For Honor, we used to get a unique execution for basically all the heroes every time when there was a launch of the season. And then things started to change over the years, and now we got the return of the Hero Fest last year in Year 5 Season 3 of For Honor, Tempest. But that was the only time that we got the unique execution back, and now the developers decided to go ahead and change things up and bring out a unique execution for a hero during the Hero Fest. Now, the last season we did get ourselves 4 Hero Fest for the Aramusha, for the Zhang Jun, for the Black Prior and for the Jormungandr. And when those characters came out, when those Hero Fests came out, we also got ourselves a new execution for all of those characters. And now we have ourselves a new Hero Fest for Year 6 Season 2 of For Honor, The Curse of the Scarab. And the first hero we have so far is the Hitokiri. And then a couple weeks later, we're going to be getting ourselves another one, which is going to be for the Centurion. And after that, we have to wait a little bit later until we get 2 new characters to get their Hero Fest stuff happening. But we don't have any information on that at the moment. I think the next couple of Hero Fests are going to be in August, so we have to wait for that. But yeah, so the first one we have is Hitokiri. And like I said, you get to go ahead and play as the Hitokiri for a limited time if you don't own her. But if you guys want to go ahead and purchase the Hitokiri, you'll be able to go ahead and get her at a discount for 33% off. You also get 2 Hero Fest symbols by just logging in, and also a Hero Fest emblem symbol too. And you also get to get this cool looking unique execution for the Hitokiri, which is called Fatal Diversion. And if you guys are thinking that just because it's the Hero Fest, that doesn't mean that the unique execution is not limited time. We do have the unique execution staying right here. It's not going to go away. It's not going to be a limited time, because that would be a stupid thing that the developers would do. But yeah, so we do have a unique execution for the Hitokiri, and it's called Fatal Diversion. And this execution is a cool looking fast execution for the Hitokiri. And what the Hitokiri does, it basically tries to attack the Warden, and the Warden ducks, dodges, and the Hitokiri kicks him in the face, and boom, the blade of her axe goes right here at the eye line right here on his face, and boom, he's dead. And it's a really cool execution for the Hitokiri, and it's a fast one too. Hitokiri doesn't really have that much fast executions. She basically have, I think, like maybe 3, I think. But yeah, we have another one, and that's really awesome for her. So really cool. And not only do we have ourselves the Hero Fest for the Hitokiri, but we also got ourselves a new signature in For Honor, and this is called the Sand Tornado. Also, I forgot to mention that the unique execution for the Hitokiri is actually going to be costing 7,000 steel. So if you guys want to go ahead and get this cool looking unique execution for the Hitokiri, which is called the Fatal Diversion, it's going to be costing 7,000 steel. And yeah, you can get it, and it's not limited time. It's going to be staying here forever. So yeah. But yeah, so back to the new signature that we have in For Honor, which is called the Sand Tornado. And this signature is going to be costing 5,000 steel. Now this signature is really cool looking, and it's also a cool looking reference, because for the people who don't know, this is actually a reference from the Mummy movie. Now, for anybody who don't know, there was a part in the Mummy movie when the villain, the Mummy Imhotep, was doing a cool looking sand tornado when he was, escaping, and that sand tornado looks really cool. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, here's a clip right here. So yeah, that's what that looks like. It looks really cool, and it's a cool looking reference, and it makes sense for the season, of course. This season for year 6 season 2, Curse of the Scarab, of course, is Egyptian themed, and it totally makes sense, and it's really awesome, and it fits perfectly with with the hero skin that we have in For Honor for Bullthorn, the Cursed. It fits it, and it's really awesome. And I can't wait until the new hero comes out, because we are gonna be getting ourselves a new hero in For Honor, which is the Egyptian hero, and people have been speculating that the hero is gonna be called the Medjay. So we have to wait and see what he's gonna be looking like, because the only glimpse that we had of the new hero was actually the silhouette of him and the weapon that he has, and the weapon looks really cool. People have been saying that the new hero is going to be kind of like a Darth Maul character from Star Wars, because the weapon that he has is actually double bladed and it has a double-sided blade, which is really cool looking. But yeah, we just have to wait and see what happens once we get the reveal of the new hero, which is going to be in a couple of weeks. It's going to be happening on the 21st, so mark that on your calendar, down the 21st. We're going to be getting ourselves the reveal of the new hero in For Honor, and then next week, which is going to be on the 28th of July, we're going to be getting ourselves the launch of the new hero. So it's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be great, and I can't wait to go ahead and do my reaction videos on it, do a breakdown video on it, and it's gonna be great. So we have to wait and you know, see when that happens, but it's gonna be awesome. And I'm also gonna be doing a July roadmap breakdown, you know, to let everybody know what's gonna be happening through the rest of July. So it's gonna be awesome. But yeah, so that's everything that's happening right now this week in For Honor. I talked about, you know, for 14 minutes, but you know what, it's a long video. You know, I give you guys a lot of information and a lot of stuff, you know, for the people who don't know what's happening at the moment. And that's what I want to do. That's what I want to make this my more For Honor videos about. I want to make my For Honor videos, you know, about news, information, anything that you guys are confused by. You know, I'm here to go ahead and give you guys, you know, some advice and all that stuff. Because for me, I love For Honor, but I'm not good at the game. That's why I just play the game casually. I play the game against bots. I just play the game to just have fun. I'm not a competitive person. My brother is, but for me, I am not a competitive person. You know, even though I did play Apex Legends and play Call of Duty, but for me, I'm not the, you know, esports, you know, top player and all that stuff like that. No, I never, you know, been a player like that. I have moments, you know, when I get into the game, and there are some moments when everything's intense and I just want to go ahead and do my best. And yeah, but that's only just a glimpse. I'm not like a professional gamer or I'll do with that. You know, I just play the games for fun, and that's why I've always been doing it ever since I was a little kid, started playing video games. So yeah, so that's why for me, I'm focusing on doing videos when it comes to news, updates, or any information that some people are confused by. Because that's the only thing I can go ahead and do. Because when it comes to playing For Honor in a competitive way, I'm not good at that. There are some other For Honor YouTubers that are good at the game. And also, when it comes to anything that has to do with some gameplay or some reworks or anything that has to do with the gameplay in For Honor, anything like that, I'm not the person to talk to about that, because I don't know anything about that. So when it comes to anything that has to do with gameplay or any rework or any heroes that have to get some reworks or fixes or changes up to them, when it comes to that, I'm not the person to talk to. There's some other For Honor YouTubes that can talk to you about that. But for me, my videos are just going to be solely focused on news, updates, informations, and anything that, you know, that's happening. But when it comes to gameplay or any you know, anything that has to do with the mechanics in the game, don't talk to me about that. So I'm not the person to talk to about that. But yeah, but anyways, guys, like I said, I'm happy to be back. And man, dude, I haven't lost a step. I still you know, I'm still doing the thing that I used to do before. So yeah, I'm happy about that. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And I'm happy to be back. Stay tuned, cool guys. Bye.